Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of editing a video in InShot on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the InShot app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Video and select the clip you want to edit from your gallery. Once it loads, you'll see the editing timeline at the bottom to trim or cut your video. Tap on the clip in the timeline, then use the split or trim tools to shorten it or remove unwanted parts. You can also drag the edges of the clip to adjust the duration. Next, if you'd like to add music, tap the music icon. From here, you can choose background tracks, sound effects, or even record your own voiceover directly. To add text, tap the text button, type your message, and customize it. With fonts, colors, and animations, you can drag it around to place it where you want on the screen. For filters and effects, tap the filter or effect options. Apply color adjustments, transitions, or fun visual effects to make your video stand out. You can also adjust the video speed, crop the aspect ratio for platforms like Instagram or YouTube, and overlay stickers or photos by using the toolbar. When you're happy with your edits, tap the export button in the top right corner. Choose the resolution and save it directly to your device or share it straight to social media. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit a video in InShot. For more tutorials just like this one, don't forget to check out our other videos.